I will tell you how to export and import MIDI on FL Studio. First, how to export MIDI file on FL Studio. Open FL Studio. Write your note on piano roll. Okay, just click triangle. Like that. Now, you can save your note in piano roll to MIDI file. Easy. Finally, just look and listen your file. I hope you happy. Now, I will tell you how to import your MIDI file to FL Studio 20. Like that. You can simple import to instrument that you want. Like that. Then, just playing your MIDI. Now. I hope you happy. Now, you can export and import MIDI on FL Studio 20. Yay! Finally. Just like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want. Bye. 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 Bye.